Now just directly begin with the unboxing video. The box is very tall and it looks like the OnePlus boxes, but the color is white over here, but the OnePlus boxes are red. Okay, jokes apart. So now starting, if you open the box, we get to see the mobile itself. So keeping the mobile aside, we get to see the case and a 65-watt brick and a pair of earphones. And it's obviously the Oppo design AirPod kind of earphones and an USB Type C cable. So let's peel off the wrapper and see. Wow, the phone is like, it's literally reflective, and the back seems very premium and it looks very premium to hold. It has the curves at the edges, and it's very reflective, guys. So it's very smooth, it's glossy back, so it's obviously going to have the fingerprint smudges, and you got to obviously use with the silicone case over it or any type of cases. And looking at the screen, it has a punch hole display to the left top corner, and on the side right side it has a power button with a green accent. And looking at the screen, it has a 90 Hz super AMOLED panel, so which is very good to see. And then moving on, so you can see the AirWook charger over here, which supports the 40-watt wireless charging technology. So there will be a video again on that, and it supports massive 65-watt charging via wire, and it's a super hook. And the elephant in the room is that it supports 40-watt AirWook, which is the wireless charging technology via hook charging technology by the latest Snapdragon 865, which is a 5G chipset, of course. And the main thing about this device is that it comes with the 180 Hz of that its touch sampling rate. It's not the screen refresh cards, it's the touch sampling rate. And some Chinese supports, like they have their own assistants, Breno and some. And the main thing is that it comes with an LPDDR5 RAM, which is the latest one, and it has support the high-res audio, so you get the immersive audio experience via your earphones, Wi-Fi 6 and NFC. Of course, the Chinese variants will be having the NFCs, but when they come to India, they skip it and bring it. And it has GPS, GNSS. Okay, then it has the Color OS 7.1. Like it's a new Color OS upgrade or the version, and using UFS 3.0. Of course, the latest one is a UFS 3.1. So that's it for now, guys. Hope all you are doing well. So till then, take care. Bye bye.